Ever wish you had a magic trick to simplify your life? I know, right? Life can get crazy busy, and sometimes it feels like we're battling against everyday problems. But don't worry. Today, we're diving into 10 crazy life hacks that are not only wild, but actually work. Get ready to be amazed because these hacks are going to change your life. We're talking about everything from rescuing stripped screws to finally conquering those annoying tangled earbuds. And the best part? You probably already have everything you need right at home. Get ready for some mind-blowing tricks, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, who's been there? You're in the middle of a project, feeling like a DIY master, and BAM! A stripped screw. It's the worst feeling ever, right? But don't worry, we've got your back. This hack is so simple. All you need is a rubber band. Place it over the screw and press your screwdriver firmly. The rubber band creates extra grip. And boom! Project saved. No more frustration, my friends. This hack is a game changer. You pull your favorite shirt out of the dryer, only to find it's more wrinkled than a raisin. Don't panic. We've got a hack that's cooler than cool. Literally. Throw a few ice cubes in the dryer with your wrinkled clothes. Run it on high heat for 10 to 15 minutes, and voila, your clothes come out wrinkle-free and ready to wear. Let's talk tacos, people. There's nothing better than a delicious, fully loaded taco, except maybe 2 delicious, fully loaded tacos. But we all know the struggle is real when those fillings start falling out everywhere. Well, get ready to up your taco game with this super simple hack. All you need is a trusty fork. That's it. Just slide the fork prongs into the bottom of your taco, creating a sturdy base. Now you can pile on all your favorite toppings without worrying about a single spill. This hack is a game changer for taco lovers everywhere. Enjoy those messy, cheesy, delicious tacos without the mess. Chapter 4. The Brown Sugar Softener. Okay bakers, this one's for you. Nothing's worse than finding your brown sugar turned into a solid brick. Here's the ultimate hack to keep it soft and scoopable. Toss a slice of bread into your container of brown sugar, seal it up tight and leave it overnight. The bread releases moisture, breaking down hard clumps. And just like that, your brown sugar is soft again. Chapter 5. The Earbud Untangler. We've all been there, digging through our bags, trying to untangle the never-ending knot of earbuds. It's like they tie themselves up just to drive us crazy. But fear no more, because this next hack is going to change your life. Grab a simple binder clip. You know, those little guys you use for papers? Clip the earbuds onto the binder clip, wrap the cord around, and secure the jack under the metal arms. No more tangled messes, no more frustration. Your earbuds will stay organized and ready to go whenever you need them. Alright car lovers, this hack is for you. Cleaning your car can be a pain, especially those hard-to-reach air vents. But don't worry, we've got the perfect solution. Grab a pack of Post-it notes. Yes, those sticky squares you use for reminders. Wrap a Post-it note around your finger with the sticky side facing out. Now, run your finger along the vents, capturing all that dust and grime. It's like magic. The sticky surface grabs onto everything, leaving your vents clean and dust-free. And the best part, it's super cheap and easy. Let's be honest, the cabinet under the sink can be a black hole of cleaning supplies. But don't worry, we've got a hack that will transform that cluttered chaos into an organized oasis. All you need is a tension rod, you know, those spring-loaded rods you use for curtains. Install it under your sink, creating an instant second level of storage. Hang your spray bottles, gloves, and brushes from the rod. Just like that, you've doubled your storage space. No more digging through a messy cabinet. Everything is organized and within easy reach. This hack is a game changer for anyone who loves a clean and tidy home. Planning a movie night or a party? Ditch those boring bowls and step up your snack game with this super fun and easy hack. Grab a muffin tin. Yes, the one you use for baking. Fill each muffin cup with different snacks, popcorn, chips, pretzels, candy. The possibilities are endless. It's like a mini buffet, but way more fun. Your guests will love the variety and the cute presentation. Plus, it makes cleaning up a breeze. Who doesn't love a good party hack? So there you have it. 8 crazy life hacks that actually work. From taming those pesky stripped screws to keeping your brown sugar perfectly soft, these hacks are sure to make your life a little bit easier and a lot more fun. These crazy life hacks can truly make a difference in your daily routine. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite hacks with your friends. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more awesome life hacks coming soon.